Okay, welcome back to eBiz Startup Secrets. Now in this video, we're going to conclude our discussion on the most important things in starting your e-business. And we're going to end with what is probably the most important thing that you are going to experience in your career or in your business as an online marketer. Your email list is your business. So even if you have been getting sales and you've been getting people to buy things and affiliate products and physical products, if you don't have these people on a list that you can contact them on, you do not have a business. All you have are transactions. And the key to having a sustainable business, and we have said this in other videos, is your email list. And so you need to treat this email list as if it's precious. So make sure that you're in contact with them. Uh, don't go long periods of time without contacting them, and then make sure that you're contacting them with things that are other than trying to get them to buy things. Look to provide value to them. So treat this list as if it is your business, because it is. An online marketer, and this is one of the secrets, probably the key secret to any successful long-term online business, is that your list really and truly is the thing that will sustain you. Okay? There's an expression that's called the money is in the list, but really the money is in the relationship you have with the people on your list. So in that respect, make sure to get their feedback. Make sure that you are asking their opinion. Make sure that you are engaging them and asking them questions. Make sure to reward them by being on your list. Make sure that they get specials and that they get things that don't cost them anything, and that you are constantly providing excellent value to them. Reward them for being on your list by helping them in their daily lives. Send them solutions. Make sure that you're giving them expert information that, again, they don't have to pay for, so that when you get ready to ask them to buy something from you, they will feel inclined, and they will understand that you are someone that truly cares about their best interest. And that is the way that you're going to maintain your list. So this is probably going to be the key success factor. Everything else we've talked about will help you to get people onto your email list and get them to be your customers. But your list will be the way that you will maintain your business and that you will grow your business, if you can make sure that you are adding value to them. Okay, so with that, thanks, and that is the end of our presentation.